Do you also want to enhance the quality of your low-resolution videos? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you an amazing AI tool that can upscale your videos to 4K quality. Now, there are many tools available on the internet that claim to improve video quality, but most of them leave watermarks or have limitations. So if you want to upscale your low-quality videos to 4K without any issues or watermarks, make sure you watch this video till the end without skipping. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe because we regularly bring you such interesting and helpful videos. So let's get started. Now you need to search for Topaz Labs AI. Once you find the link, click on it to open the official website. After the site opens, you'll see an interface like this. Now click on Web Tools and then select the Video Upscale option. Next, click on the Get Started Free button. Now you'll need to log in. I'll be using my Gmail ID to log in, but you can also create an account using a temporary email. Once you're logged in, you'll see an interface like this. Now to upscale the quality of your video, click on Upload Video and upload your file here. After uploading, select the 4K option and then click on the Upscale to 4K button. In just a few seconds, your low-quality video will be converted into stunning 4K resolution. As you can see, your video has now been successfully upscaled to 4K. So friends, this is how you can easily upscale any low-quality video to 4K using Topaz Labs AI. Let me know in the comments how you like this video, and don't forget to like the video. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.